Hello guys, today we will discuss about a branch in myelocyte metabolism which is very important because due to the deficiency of alpha ketoacid dehydrogenase, maple syrup urine disease will occur. So this branch in myelocyte metabolism is very important which produce many catabolic products. So we will discuss the introduction, importance, metabolism, effects, complication, treatment and condition. So first of all, we will discuss the fate of all 20 amino acid. All 20 amino acid is changed into the end product. First of all, we will discuss the five pyruvate producing enzyme. It is alanine, glycine, serine, cysteine, and threonine. If I ask you what are the five amino acid which can produce pyruvate, it is alanine, glycine, serine, cysteine, and threonine. If I ask you what are the two enzyme, what are the two amino acids which produce oxaloacetate, then it is aspartic acid and asparagine. If I ask you what are the enzymes which produce keto acids, alpha ketoglutarate, then it is histidine, glutamic acid, and glutamine. Three amino acids produce alpha keto glutarate. Then amino acid which produce succinyl-CoA. Almost 7 to 8 amino acid which produce succinyl-CoA. Methionine produce succinyl-CoA, valine produce succinyl-CoA, isoleucine produce succinyl-CoA, leucine never produce succinyl-CoA. It produce the acetyl-CoA and acetoacetyl-CoA. This is the leucine produce acetyl-CoA and acetoacetyl-CoA. Phenylalanine also produce succinyl-CoA and fumarate. Tyrosine produce succinyl-CoA and fumarate. Tryptophan produce succinyl-CoA and alanine. Lysine produce acetoacetyl-CoA. So lysine and leucine only ketogenic amino acids. They are not a gluconeogenesis. Rest of all amino acids are gluconeogenesis. So why is leucine is not a gluconeogenic amino acid? It produces two products, one acetyl-CoA and the other is acetoacetyl-CoA. This succinyl-CoA is wrong. We will see in the later on in this video. So leucine, isoleucine, valine are the branch in and essential amino acids. Leucine and isoleucine ketogenic. Leucine is a ketogenic, isoleucine ketogenic as well as gluconeogenic. That amino acid with the capacity directly stimulate myofibril muscle protein synthesis. These amino acids serve as alternative sources of fuel for brain, especially under condition of starvation. Essential amino acid, why they are important? Because our body cannot synthesize it, and it is very important for protein synthesis, through regeneration and metabolism. Here we see the metabolism of branched amino acid. Branched amino acid goes into the three reactions. One is transformation, other is the oxidative decarboxylation, then dehydrogenation, then dehydration. First, all three amino acids will transminated to produce a keto acid. And then second reaction, the alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase complex, which is the complex of three enzymes, produce the OA form of fatty acid. Then dehydrogenation we will discuss in this figure. Valine, leucine, and isoleucine, when they acted by the branched amino acid transminase or aminotransferase, then amino group of these amino acids are removed and taken by alpha ketoglutarate, which is changed into glutamic acid. Then all keto acid corresponding keto acid is produced, like alpha keto azo valeric acid. And alpha keto azocaproic acid, then alpha keto methyl valeric acid. So these three keto acids are produced, which are acted by alpha keto acid dehydrogenase complex, which is the complex of three enzymes which require 5 cofactors: NAD, FAD, coenzyme A, lipoic acid, and uh, lipoic acid and coenzyme A, and pyridoxal phosphate. So first enzyme is the decarboxylase, which requires pyridoxal phosphate. Second is the transacetylase enzyme, which requires two cofactors. One is coenzyme A and other is lipoic acid. And third enzyme dehydrogenase, which requires NAD and FAD as a cofactor. NAD as a co-substrate and FAD as a prostatic group. So it will produce isobutyryl CoA from alpha keto valeric acid, then alpha keto isocaproic acid will produce isovalyryl CoA, and that acid will produce alpha methyl butyryl CoA. Then Cyl-CoA dehydrogenase work on it, and low energy electron are given to FAD and FADH to produce. And it will produce methyl acryl CoA and beta methyl propanyl CoA and triglycyl CoA, which change into propanoic acid, then methyl malonyl CoA, then succinyl CoA, then it change into glucose, or it provides energy. Beta methyl crotonyl CoA changed into hydroxymethyl butyryl CoA, which removes the acetyl CoA, and it also produces acetoacetate. That's why I said you that leucine is a only ketogenic amino acid because it produces acetyl CoA and acetoacetate. Then triglycyl CoA will change into methyl acetoacetyl CoA, then acetyl CoA, propanyl CoA will change into succinyl CoA, will change into glucose. Here you can see the methyl acrylyl CoA is changed into 3-hydroxy isobutyryl CoA, then 2-methyl hydroxybutyryl CoA, then 3-methyl glutaconyl CoA. Then all these acids are acted by hydratases in them. Then desilate and dehydrogenase and hydratase further act on to produce various products, and this 3-hydroxymethyl CoA is acted by lyase enzyme to produce acetyl CoA and acetoacetate, which is the metabolism of leucine. That's why it is ketogenic amino acid. This isoleucine will produce acetyl CoA and propanyl CoA, which is also a this is glucogenic, this is ketogenic. This valine produces methyl malonate semi-aldehyde, which is changed into propanyl CoA, and it will produce succinyl CoA and then glucose. So, if there is deficiency of this enzyme which convert these keto acid into their CoA form, keto acid dehydrogenase complex, then the maple syrup urine disease will occur. All the branch chain acid will accumulate and will cause the plasma and urine acid level to increase, which causes these keto acid to come into the urine and blood, and it is called ketonemia and ketonuria, okay, which cause the many disorder protein like acidosis, lethargy, convulsion, mental retardation, coma, death within 1 year after birth. Diagnosis: urine contain branch in keto acid, valine, leucine, isoleucine. Rothera test will be positive. I will provide you the link of Rothera test. Diagnosis depends on the enzyme analysis. Diagnosis should be done prior to 1 week after the birth. Diet low in branch in keto acid. It is the only treatment. Ketonuria. If the keto acid comes in the urine, then this is the ketonuria. Isovaleric acidemia, when the valeric acid level get increased in the blood due to the deficiency of enzyme isovalyryl CoA dehydrogenase. These are the references. You can check it. That's all. If you like that video, please subscribe.